So, ito naman yung calculator level 4 problem 26. So, ayan yung coding sa calculator. So, dito naman sa calculator is gumawa tayo ng apat na function. So, add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So, ang display menu, pinapakita ang pagpipilian. So, ibig sabihin yung apat na function, add, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Ang compute, so, ang compute is depende sa pinili mong function na gagawin ang tamang operation ng add, subtract, multiply, o divide. Kung division at second number ay 0, may error message. So, ang show result naman is napakita ang sagot tulad ng 5 plus 3 equal 8. So, may as if user wants another calculation. So, kung yes ang sagot, uulitin. Pero pag no, lalabas at magpiprint ng thank you for using the calculator. Try natin siyang i-run. So, ayan. Then, enter choice 34. Enter first number, second number, do you want calculation? Ayan yan. Kung no, is lalabas dyan. Thank you for using the calculator. So, ayan ang calculator.